yoroshiku hajimemashite. Hi, dozo. Okay, Lionel, ready?
Yep.
Sorry, cannot. I don't know how to start this shit. Okay. I know. What's for lunch? What are you doing?
Today, we're making chicken karaage. See my hair. Alright, so here I have 500 grams fresh chicken today. Fresh chicken thigh. I debone everything by myself. So to start off, I'm going to grate some young ginger.
Young ginger.
Young ginger.
Must be young, cannot old.
Must be young. Oh, why not old? Very simple, because old is very chiang. Young is nicer, young is sweeter, it's more gentle on your palate.
Are you still talking about ginger?
Yep. So I'm just going to grate this as fast as I can.
Faster. Faster.
I have sake here. This is about 5 tablespoons. Cooking sake goes inside. 3 tablespoons of shoyu. Japanese shoyu. Mirin is a sweet wine. And here I have sesame oil. So all this goes in. I just like a lot of pepper. Pepper is nice. Today, karaage is comfort food to me. You know, there's this one episode in Midnight Diner, right? Where this lady, you know, she was working hard to support her boyfriend. Past relationships also, I work very hard. You know, the guys like me, very hard to get girls lah. We all work in the kitchen. You know, we work hard. We work hard. You know, we sweat. We smell like crap.
You know, I know you for so long, right? You really work hard in relationships.
When I'm in a relationship, I'm very committed to it.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. You're the most loyal friend I've had.
Yeah.
Most hardworking person and chef I know.
I thank you for those compliments. Thank you so much.
Hi.
Alright, so this is marinated properly. I'm going to put this in the fridge. I'm going to keep it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so now this marinade is so nice. It smells like chicken. Yeah, it smells like chicken. You smell? Okay, I want egg. I'm going to crack this egg inside. I'm going to marinate well. This egg is so that the potato starch will stick to the chicken. A certain chef taught me this, that when you put your chopsticks inside, you see the bubbles. Yep, okay, it's done. Okay, I'm going to lower this to medium heat.
If it's the temperature, what temperature will it be?
I'm looking at 180. I'm going to coat this gently inside. Why I'm not mixing this inside? Because you know, when you mix the flour inside, right, it becomes very soggy. You can't get the crispiness. Okay, here you see it's nicely coated.
Yep.
Alright, it's going in. What do they normally do is that they would like to double fry it. This is my relationship in a pot. So ladies, I make very good karaage.
A relationship in a pot.
Yeah.
So that means you work very hard to get the marinade done.
Yep.
And then you make sure that on the outside it looks good. After that, the relationship goes through a pot of deep frying oil. And after that, you get burnt.
No. When it's on low heat, you don't get burned. See this? But now this is still not ready. I'm just gonna let it, because I want double fry it. So you can see that this still has not enough color, right? I'm just gonna drain dry here. And now I'm gonna increase the heat to a medium heat, 5. Okay.
So the first step is to cook inside slowly.
Yes.
Alright.
So you get this color. And now you wanna go like
a higher heat.
Correct.
To crispen it up.
Yep. Before I fry this, I'm gonna plate this up here. So add cabbage.
Cherry tomato.
Yeah, you always serve this with cherry tomatoes. Cuba is good at everything. Just want that. So you see, I'm frying now. Crispy, golden karaage. You can see it's beautifully golden brown.
Oh, that looks much crispier now.
Yeah. So I'm gonna plate this now.
Tonkatsu
You can
sauce.
make your own tonkatsu sauce. Basically, it's Worcestershire, ketchup, shoyu, and sugar. Okay, so I'm gonna just drizzle this on top. Shichimi togarashi. This thing is
Chili powder.
potent. So simple.
And if anybody of you wants to date this guy, he can make you good chicken karaage. Single and available.
Subscribe to Forecast for more fucking good videos. Enjoy.
Thank you, Chef Lionel.
Welcome.
Crispy.
Just gonna get a few pieces in. Just for show lah.
Not for sure to eat. This is my lunch.
Yeah. I know. Sorry, it's the wrong thing lah. Can we cut it out? Okay. See?
I'll decide whether I'm gonna cut it out.
Alright.